I have this new freedom. I don't have to lie about anything.
When you get to a certain level, I believe that somebody just starts to believe their own lies and the story they've told.
As someone that has manufactured resistance band bars and been in the fitness industry for over 30 years, I'm going to tell you that the resistance band bar is one of the biggest scams in the fitness industry. It's for those of you that appreciate science, common sense, and use a resistance band bar. If that's not you, you're probably going to want to scroll away right now. But for those of you that do appreciate common sense and science, stick around. But prepare to clutch your pearls because I'm going to tell you something. Some of you are out here risking life and limb to do a front resistance band squat simply because you were told that you need to do it with a particular bar that you were using. What people don't keep in mind is that when you have to keep your arms up to sustain that band and bar, you were using energy. You were using energy to keep your arms up instead of using that energy toward your legs. And it's just not efficient. So I'm here to tell you and show you there's a better way. It's more of a synergy. You want to focus all of your energy to where it's going. But since you've been told that you need a specific bar to do your resistance band workouts, you are stuck in this mindset of doing a front resistance band squat a specific way. But look, I'm not going to have you coming after me because you are hearing the truth and it hurts. I'm going to let a more trusted source give you that information so that you can go down your own rabbit hole and find the answers.
Are resistance bands the best way to do training, and should they replace free weights?
Resistance bands are a fantastic tool for training because they provide variable resistance, engage stabilizing muscles, and can reduce joint stress. They're also portable and versatile, making them great for a variety of exercises and fitness levels. However, they don't necessarily need to replace free weights entirely. Free weights, like dumbbells and barbells, offer consistent resistance and can be crucial for building maximum strength and muscle mass. They also help with bone density and functional strength. A balanced approach often works best. Using both resistance bands and free weights can provide a comprehensive workout that leverages the benefits of each. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific goals, preferences, and any physical limitations.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. I'm always happy to help. If you have any more questions, just let me know.
Call me crazy, but I have this thing where if you lie to me, I'm not going to trust you. Not just because I don't trust what you say, but because I don't have time to go through and validate everything you were saying. If you tell me that free weights are a waste of time and have no value, if you tell me that the entire NFL has stopped using free weights and switched to resistance band bars, even though we've been using free weights since the beginning of training, that's just beyond a lie. I'm not going to trust you because that makes no sense. If I detect that you are trying to take advantage of my trust and tell a bold-faced lie, that tells me that you are more concerned with selling a product than actually helping people. That's no integrity. I'm actually shocked by that, and yet not. Why should I believe anything you say? Because now I see that some people are more concerned about selling a product, making their millions instead of helping people. For people that come into the comments or try to rationalize it, it's a waste of my time because we are operating on different levels. I'd much rather tell you the truth up front, save us both some time. Case in point, if you haven't already done so, you should definitely see the documentary The Liver King on Netflix.
I am the greatest. The greatest.
I am the greatest. I cannot lose. I'm pretty.